In this video, we are going to make a liquid fertilizer that is specially designed for tomato plants. Tomato plants are heavy feeders, meaning they need a lot of nutrients to produce healthy and juicy fruits. If they don't get enough fertilizer, their growth slows down, and fruit production is affected. That's why we're going to make a nutrient-rich tea that tomatoes will absolutely love. This homemade fertilizer is simple, effective, and uses materials that would otherwise go to waste. So let's get started without wasting any time. The first step in making this fertilizer is to collect the extra and lower leaves from our tomato plants. Lower leaves do not produce any fruits, and they are more likely to get infected because they touch the soil. If left on the plant, they can attract diseases and pests, which can harm the entire plant. By removing these leaves, we are not only making our plant healthier, but also gathering an important ingredient for our fertilizer. Along with the lower leaves, we will also collect any suckers we remove from the plant. Once we have collected a good amount, we will place them in a bucket or any container we have available. Now, we need to chop these leaves and suckers into small pieces. Cutting them into smaller pieces helps them break down faster, releasing their nutrients into the water more efficiently. This process allows the fertilizer to be ready in a shorter time. Once the chopping is done, we move on to the next important ingredient: worm castings. Worm castings are one of the best natural fertilizers because they are packed with essential nutrients that plants need. They provide nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and beneficial microbes that improve soil health and plant growth. If you don't have worm castings, you can use compost or even garden soil as an alternative. The goal is to add organic matter that will enrich the liquid fertilizer. Now, we need to fill the container with water, but make sure to use non-chlorinated water. Chlorinated water can kill the beneficial bacteria and microbes that help break down the plant materials and release nutrients into the fertilizer. If you only have chlorinated water, let it sit in an open container for about 24 hours before using it. This allows the chlorine to evaporate. Once we have added the water, we will mix everything really well, making sure the leaves and worm castings are evenly distributed throughout the container. The next step is to cover the container, but do not seal it tightly. The mixture needs oxygen to ferment properly, and if the container is sealed too tightly, it can build up gases and cause problems. Just place a lid or cloth loosely over the container to keep pests and debris out while allowing air to circulate. Now, we leave the container to sit for at least 10 to 14 days. This time is necessary because it allows the nutrients to be extracted from the leaves and worm castings, creating a rich and powerful fertilizer for our tomato plants. During this period, natural fermentation occurs, breaking down the plant material and making the nutrients more accessible to the plants. After about 2 weeks, our liquid fertilizer is ready to use. You will notice a strong smell, which is completely normal. This means the fermentation process has worked, and the fertilizer is full of beneficial nutrients. But before we apply it to our plants, we need to dilute it. This fertilizer is very concentrated, and if used directly, it can be too strong for the plants. To dilute it, we will take about 5 liters of the liquid and mix it with 10 liters of water. This creates a balanced mixture that provides all the benefits without harming the plants. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this fertilizer. First, it is packed with nitrogen, which promotes strong leafy growth and keeps the plants green and healthy. It also contains phosphorus, which helps in root development and fruit production, ensuring that the tomato plants produce plenty of high-quality tomatoes. The potassium in the fertilizer strengthens the plant, making it more resistant to diseases and environmental stress. Additionally, the beneficial microbes present in the mixture improve soil health, making it more fertile and helping plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. Another great benefit of this fertilizer is that it is completely organic and free from harmful chemicals. Since it is made from plant materials and worm castings, it provides natural nutrients without harming the environment. Using this fertilizer regularly will result in healthier, stronger plants that produce more delicious tomatoes. So, that's how you make a simple but powerful liquid fertilizer for your tomato plants. It is easy to make, highly effective, and made from natural ingredients that would otherwise go to waste. Try this out in your garden and see the difference in your tomato plants. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.